Hello.
The new trainee?
Oh, yes, I am. Yeah.
Nice to meet you. My name is Luah. I am the your trainer today.
Oh, excellent.
And I'm also the restaurant manager, so
Oh, okay.
So I'm sure you are aware why you are here today for the training.
Yeah, I am for about a napkin something.
Yeah, the napkin folding training.
Oh, yes.
In a restaurant.
Ah, I see. Okay.
So how are you today?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm good.
Had your lunch?
Yeah, I have. Have you?
I have. Thanks for asking. So today we'll be doing in Tangerine Restaurant and That. It's actually one of Taylor's University's training restaurant.
I see.
Yeah, it's a fine dining training restaurant. Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, nice. Okay.
So is it your first time in Taylor's University?
Yes. Actually, today is my second day here.
Have a seat.
Oh, thanks. Yeah. Okay.
I've actually prepared for you a lesson plan, copy for your perusal.
Oh.
So the lesson plan, in terms of the content, it might differ according to the itinerary. So some might come first, some might come after. Yeah.
Okay.
So the objective of this whole training is actually to explain to you about the relevance between table turnover of a restaurant and the type of napkin folding, because you want it to be suited with the table turnover. So everything is organized. Yeah. Okay. So let me just prepare. So let me just explain to you what a table turnover is.
Okay.
Table turnover is basically at a restaurant, the frequency of a new party sitting at a single table in a single service. So basically, a high turnover means that a restaurant is very, very busy, very crowded, because the table will always be having a new party sitting at this single table. Yeah.
Okay.
And for a low turnover, meaning the table may not even receive a customer, or maybe just once or twice of a party visit at a single time. Yeah. So of course the type of napkin folding differs accordingly. For a high turnover, we try to keep something simple. Like over here we have the Cutlery Pocket. So it is very simple, and yet it is elegant, and you can actually do it at a very, very short amount of time. So this is a Cutlery Pocket. Yeah. And the cutlery goes here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
And
yeah.
for the low turnover, we have, as my creation is named, the Sydney Opera House.
Oh, it does look like one.
Yeah. A few.
Oh.
So this one is of course still simple, but because it is a low turnover at a restaurant, so you will actually have the luxury of time to actually make something slightly more impressive, more extravagant.
Okay.
Yeah, Sydney Opera House. So let me just do a demonstration for high turnover first, which is the Calorie Pocket.
Okay.
Sounds cool?
Yeah. Cool.
Okay. So first, for a Cutlery Pocket, we have a square napkin ready, and we try to keep the seam side down.
Seam side down. Okay.
Yeah, seam side down. So first you fold it half, just like that. That's the first step. Second step, you fold it half again. There you go. And the third step, you just take this open edges of this square, just fold it down. That is the third step.
Okay.
Yeah. The third step is basically just take all of it, fold it down. So you just fold it down. Try to keep the distance as close as possible so that it looks tight and neat. So this one as well, you just fold it down. So this one you'll tug it in. This one you will also tug it in.
Okay.
So that is the fourth step. The fifth step, you just hold these two sides on the right side of the triangle here. The right side of it. My right, your left.
Okay.
So you just
Fold
wrap
it.
it
Oh.
to the back, and then just press it tight. Just press it down, and to secure it, you over here this side, you actually the one with triangles here, you fold it into this side.
Okay.
Just like that. And you have a cutlery pocket. Simple and elegant, very fast. There. For a
Okay.
high turnover. Yeah. And add to the collection. Yeah. Would you like to
Okay.
give it a try, Connie?
Yeah, yeah, I would like to, but I think I will need your guidance.
Sure, no problem. Here, give it a try. Okay. So, first we have, of course, a square one. Make sure there is no defect. All good. And then same side down.
Okay.
Yeah, that's excellent.
Okay.
Yeah. And then you fold it half. First step. Second step. Just basically half again. Okay, there you go. Yep.
Okay.
And now, can you remember the next step?
I think something to fold a lot of folding down,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, so this open flaps, you just fold it down. That is the third step. Press it. Next one as well. Next one. Oh, yeah, you can just do that even. And just tuck everything. And this one as well. Okay, then on, like, yeah, like I said, yeah. For here, just put it back. And then just press it down. And just to secure it, left side and the right side.
Okay.
There you go.
So, one cutlery pocket.
Mm-hmm.
Is it correct?
Yeah. So what you can do is you try to just pull it slightly more so that it's a straight line, just like that. Mhm.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
One cutlery pocket for the high turnover.
Okay.
Yeah. So would you like to try to do one on your own?
Yeah, I
Let's
think
give
I
it a try.
can.
Okay. So.
Same side down,
Uh-huh.
fold it up,
Yep, that's right.
fold it up.
Yep, you're doing great.
Thanks. Okay, fold it down.
Mm-hmm. Down again. Okay.
Can I actually tuck it in first?
Yeah, of course, no problem.
Okay. And then
Whatever that is faster for you. There you go.
Okay. And
Okay. Now,
okay.
okay. Remember the next step? Okay, there you go. Yep.
Ah.
Okay,
Can I fold it?
there you go.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
And then
tuck it
left
in.
side goes to the right. Yeah, there you go. Now just keep it tight and nice. And there you have a nice cutlery pocket for a high turnover. Okay, let's see. Okay, now add it to the collection.
Is it okay?
Yep. Add it to the collection. There.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, and now I'm gonna teach you to do the low turnover. Yeah.
Okay.
So now I'll be teaching you how to do the napkin folding for the low turnover.
Okay.
As I call it, the Sydney Opera House.
Okay.
So first, of course, check for no defects and the seam side down.
Okay.
Just like the cutlery pocket, you fold it half
And
and you fold it half again.
okay.
Just like that. Okay. And the next, you put it right in front of you, and the close corner pointing towards you, you fold it upwards, just like that.
Okay.
Getting it so far?
Mm.
And now you have these two edges of the triangle. Just fold it down, just like that. Got it?
Got it.
And the other side as well. Just down. That. Okay. Now you just these two flaps over here. You just fold it down, and this whole thing just fold it half. in
Okay.
half, just like that. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. So now you would just hold this two, just pinch it together,
Mm-hmm.
and you actually have a fourth opening,
Mm-hmm.
four flaps here. So just like take it out.
Okay.
There you go. And all of the flaps, just pull it out. So these are all the rows of the Sydney Opera House. So the good thing about this is that it gives the whole napkin display a height when you put it on the show plate.
Mm-hmm.
So you see, it actually has a height. The last one, okay, just like that. Yeah. Can you see? There are 4 different folds.
Mm-hmm.
And then now when you actually put it on the show plate, it has height. And it actually is more impressive when you look at it at one
Okay.
glance. Yeah. Would you like to give it a try?
Yeah. Can
Again?
you guide me again?
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
Just give you one napkin.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
So first, no defects, all good. Taylor's Unicity, high quality. No defects.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Seems
Okay.
down.
Side down. Fold it. Half. And
Then half again.
yep. There you
Yay.
go. You're a fast learner.
Oh, thanks. I don't think I am. But thanks for the compliment. Okay, now
what's
I don't
next?
know what's next.
So you make
oh.
it the closed edge face you, yeah, and then pull it up. Just like that.
Okay.
Yeah. And then
And then I hold it down like that.
yes, pull it up. Just like that. The other side as well. Next.
And then
This
I
one
tuck
down.
in and fold it.
Pull it up. Good. Sharp and nice.
Okay.
Okay, next. Just
Good
pinch
question.
this.
I don't know. Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you
And
can just
then
pinch this edge here, over here.
here.
Yeah, just pinch
And then I.
open up. There you go.
No. Okay.
So when you actually open it up tightly and with more energy, then you actually secure the whole fold. Yeah. So the Sydney Opera House won't actually collapse because everything is very, very secured. You know.
Okay. Is this correct?
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Hey.
There you go. Just add it to the collection here.
Oh. Okay.
So why don't you try to do it on your own? One.
Wow. What is this?
I'll just give you one more.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Same side down,
Same side down. There you go.
and then I fold it up,
Yep.
then fold again, and then close edge, fold it up,
Yep. You got it.
and then fold it back down.
Okay.
And then
Tuck it. Yeah. And fold it half. Okay.
correct.
Yep. All good. Now you just pinch it and open it up. Okay. And just 2 more flaps. And you are good to go. And there, the Sydney Opera House. Okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah, I think it's perfect.
Okay.
Now add it to the collection.
Okay.
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 So, have you said? What do you think about the training today?
Yeah, I think it's perfect. I
Yeah?
think it's fine. I learned
I
quite a
hope it
lot
was-
for folding napkins.
Yeah. I hope it was informative for you.
Yeah, it is. It
Yeah,
is.
do you have any question for me in case to clear up any curiosity?
Oh, just want to ask because the folding actually takes time.
Yeah.
So when do we actually fold the napkins?
Yeah, that's a good question because it also depends on the how busy a restaurant is, the turnover. So in the event that the restaurant is actually busy, has a high turnover, you can actually fold it right after the previous service, so that you actually have a buffer time before the next service in case maybe there is an emergency reservation, last minute reservation, so you actually have to prepare extra, so you actually have the time. So for the cutlery pockets, which is for the cutlery pocket, for the high turnover, you can do it after the previous service, and you put the cutlery all inside, and then you just put it at the dummy waiter at the station, so that when you set up the table, it's very, very fast, efficient. Everything can be done in a very short amount of time.
Okay.
And for the lower turnover, as you can see, these are the Sydney Opera House is something you can't really stack. As you can see here, it's taking up so much space. So we would usually recommend to do it before the service because the turnover is low, so you actually have the luxury of time. To actually create this impressive creation of mine. So
I see.
Like I said, it's something that you can't stack. So it is also another rationale on why you can do it before the service itself, because you can immediately set it up on the table.
Okay.
Yeah. So that actually concludes
Oh, wait,
our training
wait.
today. Yeah.
Actually, I have another question. So
And which would be?
no, I just want to ask that the high turnover foldings are usually for usually in your restaurant. Is it for like a breakfast service?
Yes. So we usually use it for a breakfast for buffets. So because buffet is actually a very, very fast-paced service, so we don't really have time to actually do the Sydney Opera House, the low turnover napkin folding. So therefore, we would recommend using the Calorie Pocket for buffet service, which is usually in the breakfast.
And then the Sydney Opera House is usually used for fine dining services.
Yeah, fine dining like dinner services or maybe a VIP lunch service.
Okay.
That's when we actually use the Sydney Opera House.
Okay.
Low turnover.
I see. All
So
right.
that actually concludes our training today. Yeah. So here's your copy. You hold it
thanks.
with you, and I shall walk you to the exit.
All right.